Hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I opened this envelope live today during the feud. So I wanted to, anybody who wasn't in the feud and wanted to participate, I wanted to make sure that you had it and that it was easy to find. So when we opened it, we discovered that we are going to be making an altered something, whatever you want to alter, puzzle piece, playing card, button, whatever you want to alter. You know, you can order, you can alter in just about anything. You can alter an old card, gift card if you want to, whatever you want to do. You're going to alter it, but you must use burlap. Okay? Some form of burlap on whatever item it is you alter. That's this month's challenge. If you submitted a challenge last month and I don't have your name on my list, I'm going to be going through that today because I was gone for like a week and a half, all told. So if you submitted one last month and I haven't seen it, I will get it on my list. But for October, you need to alter something. Alter something and use some burlap, okay? That's it. Thank you so much. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.